Michelle, Dreaming English, and
Kat here.
And today we're going to talk about Easter. Please excuse the sound of sawing outside. Our neighbor is sawing trees and he didn't ask us if that was okay. So we are going to talk about Easter. And what is this? Let's talk about that first.
Well, this is my old Easter basket.
And why is it set up like this?
So what we did is we took this thing. So now it's sort of like a push cart almost. But we took this, bent it over,
This was the
and tied it
handle.
with the zip ties. Because this was originally a handle and I would hold it like this. And this would be flat. Took some wheels and zip tied those on too. So that they can turn.
And what's this for?
And this was to harness the bunnies.
Right, so the idea was, see the Easter bunny.
I think Coconut Cloud's still getting over that.
Yeah, the Easter bunny brings us eggs. Brings us eggs on Easter, right? So the idea was to have...
What happened? What dropped?
It's okay. To have the bunnies pull the Easter bunny basket to deliver the eggs, but the bunnies,
They didn't want to.
they didn't want any part of that.
So here's
No
a quick,
worries, no animals were harmed during the recording of this.
So here's just a bit of when we actually did it, and you're only going to see a clip of me pulling them around because I tried to get Cloud to, and she backed out of instantly. Not at all how she was doing it when we were practicing in the living room. Yeah. So let's.
So Easter, it's usually either in March or April. And the reason that it's in either March or April has to do with the moon. So the moon has different cycles. It's either a crescent moon or a full moon or half moon. And the cycles has to do with whether or not we have... So the moon cycles has to do with whether Easter is in March or April. I always wondered that. I just learned that on Dreaming Spanish. What is this?
These are some eggs with candy in them.
In a basket. This is Easter basket.
I have 7 eggs with me. I have 7 eggs with me right now that we went outside and collected, and here's the video for that.
Here we are, ready for our Easter egg hunt. So the Easter bunny hides these eggs. Oh, that's going to be hard to get out. Okay, what's in that one? What color is it?
Pink.
Pink.
And inside there is a Twix bar, which is good because I love Twix bars. Oh, it opens.
All right, what do we got? We got a,
Yellow egg,
in the tree, a yellow egg.
and it has some candy eggs in them.
Wow.
Yay. I love candy eggs.
And another one, what color?
It's purple,
Purple in the tree.
and it has more candy eggs.
More candy eggs, imagine that.
I'm lucky.
And a green one in the tree.
And it has more candy eggs.
More candy eggs.
I love candy eggs.
We've established that. You love candy eggs.
See, there's another one over here. Oh,
A yellow one
and
in
it
the
has
tree.
Snickers, Valentine's Day Snickers. Yay.
Good sale on those Valentine's candies. Oh, and a big one.
See, it's another-
Oh, I think you better share that one with your brother. What's in there?
This one's just mine. There's a lot of stuff.
Let me see. Let's get a close look. Oh, yes.
A ton of
I think you could
Valentine's Day candy.
share a few of those.
Some of them.
Okay, what do we got here? We have a pink egg in the tree.
Pink. And it has more candy eggs.
More
which is
candy
good, I
eggs.
love.
So those are little eggs inside the big eggs.
Squirrel?
Oh, I don't know if anybody would put anything in there. The squirrels had their little heads in there.
Not here.
No.
Ah.
It's on the hose, the water hose. And what color is it?
It's blue and there's M&Ms.
Blue, M&Ms. All right. So every Easter, the Easter Bunny comes and hides these Easter eggs in our yard, but also in the house. What else does the Easter Bunny do?
The Easter Bunny, for our house, I think maybe the Easter Bunny has different parents talk to them about what they want their kids to have. Because our Easter Bunny gives us a scavenger hunt.
And so what does that
mean? They give
mean?
us these clues that are like, all right, so
give an example of one, a clue that
this
you can
was
remember.
a really bad clue that I can remember. I can only remember this one because it was really bad. So there was one that was like resting your head on something that you rest your head on, which was the pillow, and it was underneath my pillow.
Rest your head on a pillow.
So it was underneath the pillow. But the other thing that I really remember was your cloths, spelled CLOTHS, not CLOTHES.
So CLOTHS instead of CLOTHES.
So it said cloths, and I'm like, okay, your cloths seem to be always returning to this place. At least it is better using rocks.
And you can see a picture of rocks. People used to wash their clothes using rocks in the old days.
And it's not better because now you have an automatic machine that will do it for you.
And here's a
You just
picture
need to put
of
it in.
a automatic washing machine below. So that was a clue. So you get
And
these
it was
clues.
the washer machine. But
And what do you get? Do you get candy when you what do you get?
sometimes we'll get different things. One time I got some kinetic sand. We always usually get this chocolate bunny, and you're like, oh, a chocolate bunny, so cool, but it's like this big, and you're like,
Here's a picture of a
even
chocolate bunny.
cooler, but it's hollow, even though that's really cool. Anyway, so.
And what else? You get just candy or what? Anything else?
And we get kinetic sand. One time I got some bike lights.
So
And
they were
they're still on my
lights for
bike.
a bicycle.
I don't think they work
you can
anymore
see a
because
picture below.
Because I can't find the on button. It
Oh,
seems to just
okay.
disappear.
So when she was riding, the lights would light up the wheels, and you could see a picture below of that. And
You're like pointing down here.
yeah, because it's good. We're going to be above. And what? Do we have any special food?
Sometimes people will eat ham on the holidays.
Ham. I hope it's not a blue ham. You can draw a blue ham.
Pass me the red or the orange.
Here is orange. Also a picture of ham below us. Oh, that's good. I could see that being a ham. Maybe there's a little bone there.
Yeah.
So this is a ham, and it's pink.
On the outside. Ham.
And
it's not the great.
sometimes we have turkey, which I'm going to put a picture below. Unless you
Yeah.
want to draw a turkey.
I'm not.
No. Okay.
So-
And what do we have for dessert?
For dessert, sometimes we eat our candy, or sometimes Mom might make her cheesecake.
So here's cheesecake, a picture of my cheesecake below. And that's it, right? We just eat.
Wait. So I remember this one time. I was little, maybe 7 or 8, and it was a hot Easter out. The sun was shining. It was really warm out, but it was also a bit hot. You would get hot if you stayed out there for a while.
You could wear short sleeves. It was hot.
So we had finished searching inside the house, and we had gotten some Easter eggs. And then we went back outside we went to the backyard
With our Easter baskets looking.
to look for more Easter eggs. And when we were inside, we had like some Kit Kats, some Twix, but we also had these little purple saltwater toffees.
So, yes, which you can see a picture below. Saltwater toffee.
purple saltwater taffy. And they were pretty good. I tried one when I was inside. I went back outside. And I was searching some more.
So she went outside.
And I went up onto the playground that we have. And I looked up and I saw another egg. I picked it up and I opened it up. And it looks like something purple had died in there. Because there was just this melted
purple.
oozy purple saltwater taffy coating the entire thing. And it smelled awful, okay? If you have, you're probably like, oh, I've experienced the worst smells, like a skunk on the side of the road. Well, a skunk on the side of the road is like nothing to, like, sun-baked saltwater toffee. It smells horrible. Like...
So it smelled
and I'm like,
bad.
Why? A little while later, I'm like, the Easter Bunny's off his game. And the next year, there were no more purple saltwater toffees.
Yeah, I guess the Easter Bunny thought that was not a good idea.
Yeah,
No.
I'm eating one of the little candy eggs now.
What do you do for where you live for Easter? Let us know in the comments below.
Yeah.
And please subscribe to our channel.
Like this video and hit the bell so that you'll get notified whenever we post another video so that you won't miss it.
All right, and thanks for watching.
Nice. Eat it. I just have